Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. And here we have to scroll down until we will find the section accounts. Of course, above it you've got whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it. But personally, I prefer to do it by using the account. So let me tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got our previously added Google account. So maybe let's start with adding a new one, because why not? As you can see, you can have a lot of accounts added. So just tap on add an account, then pick Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And let me use the pattern. As you can see, you will have to also confirm it with the screen lock. And here from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove the Google account whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will simply disappear. Let me remove this one also. Okay, and as you can see, sometimes you will also have to confirm everything with your pattern, PIN or password. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add and remove a Google account in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.